Offering a hefty reward for anyone with information on these three men that you see. Make sure you're looking at your TV because they are suspects in a gun store robbery in Greenwood. Our Mike Sullivan spoke to the owner who says he did everything he could to protect his store.
Even with safety screens, window bars, high-tech surveillance.
People want in bad enough, they're going to figure out a way.
Ask Sean Atkinson. He can't stop hearing about it.
Since the story broke, I've received some pretty nasty phone calls.
People falsely blaming him for allowing three thieves to get past his lengthy security measures at Atkinson Firearms.
So they couldn't come through the door because I have a safety screen across the door.
So they tried the thick, double-paned windows, going at them with a ball-peen hammer.
They almost didn't get in.
Until the glass broke, triggering high-def motion cameras and window sensor alarms.
Once they kicked the bottom bar, they had wasted enough time. They knew they roughly were running out of time.
Once in, they broke through this glass case, while alarms and security cameras alerted police. They made off with 9 .380 caliber pistols.
When they got themselves out, they cut themselves pretty bad on the shards of glass.
Investigators with ATF say they are looking for these three men and their brown Ford Explorer.
Somebody out there will recognize these individuals.
The pictures that you guys have gotten was when they came in at 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Casing the store out since they can't see through Atkinson's blackout windows.
Now that I look back, he was looking at the windows, the bars.
Atkinson says one of the men even bragged to him about being shot recently at 38th and Keystone.
He had a pretty severe limp.
Atkinson had no idea the guns they were looking at would be in their hands by nightfall.
We almost immediately start seeing them show up in crimes. They're either recovered on the street, illegally in possession of someone.
Every firearm that I own will be now locked in a safe, and none will be left out.
In Greenwood, I'm Mike Sullivan, Fox 59 News.
The ATF is offering a $5,000 reward for anyone with information that leads to an arrest and conviction in this case. Tonight, a homeless woman is behind bars charged with beating a